Today we're unboxing the BFoUR Meat Thermometer. So let's open this up, and inside it looks like we've got a quick tips and a little thank you card here from BFoUR, and then you've got your instructions from your BFoUR wireless meat thermometer. So this version is the version that comes with 2 probes, as you can see here. Now there also is a version that comes with 1 singular probe, but it's nice they've got them labeled black and white for the top of the tips. And what I do like about the BFoUR Meat Thermometer is that you can absolutely connect this with your phone, but then it also will work on this little display here, so you can see the temperature here if for whatever reason you don't want to connect it to your phone. So let's get this out here, and then down in the bottom it looks like we've got our charging cable. So we've got the charging cable, and that's just going to plug into the base station. And then another nice feature of this is that it does have this little stand. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the BFoUR Meat Thermometer.